In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can calculate the perimeter of a compound shape. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. So to find the perimeter, we need to find the sum of all the lengths. However, with the example on the left-hand side, I don't have all of the lengths. I'm missing two. This length here, and this length here. To calculate the red length, I know that side A is 6 centimeters and side B is 3 centimeters. The red length must be the difference between them, so 6 minus 3. To calculate the green length, I know that side C is 5 centimeters and side D is 3 centimeters. So the green length is the difference between them. 5 minus 3 is 2. So to calculate the perimeter, I simply find the sum of all the different lengths. So 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. Steadily working my way around the outside of the shape and adding the lengths together. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 3 plus 3 is 6. Add on the other 6 will give me a total of 22 centimeters. This is the perimeter around the outside of the shape. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Like with the example on the left hand side, I'm missing two different lengths. This length here and this length here. To calculate the red length, I know it will be the difference between A and side B. So 5 minus 2 is 3. The green length will be the difference between C and D. So 9 take away 6 is also 3. So to calculate the perimeter, I add up all the different lengths around the outside of the shape. So 9 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. Reordering the numbers to make it a little bit easier to add them together. 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5. Add on the other 5 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. Add on the other 9, and I get a total of 28 centimeters. This is the perimeter of the shape.